Well, hello YouTube viewers and welcome back. It's 75 here, aka Michi Wichi. I would like to thank my new subscribers, old subscribers, and viewers for subscribing, for rating, for favorite, for your comments, for the support. I really appreciate it. Today I got you an unboxing, people. And it's about the Hamilton Beach Standard Mixer. My husband got it for me on Labor Day. There was a Labor Day sale in several places, but we went to BrandsMart to get this one. And originally, I'm not gonna lie, I wanted the KitchenAid, but the KitchenAid is a little bit, pricey. So let's see what the Hamilton Beach can offer. So again, this is an unboxing. Later on, in the future I will use it and I will let you know how it works and stuff like that. But if you want to see this, please stay tuned. Hola queridos amigos que tú sintonizas. De nuevo aquí es Emi de 5 Hagas Michi Wichi. Bienvenidos al canal. Y hoy les tengo un unboxing, o sea, un desempaque, vamos a decir, de esta batidora de pies llamada Hamilton Beach. Mi esposo la compró en especial, no en liquidación, pero en especial, en una tienda que se llama BrandsMart en Labor Day, el día de Labor Day de este mes. Yo inicialmente quería la de KitchenAid, pero la de KitchenAid es un poquito, tú sabes, carita. So vamos a ver qué es lo que la de Hamilton Beach ofrece. Les voy a decir qué es lo que trae, etcétera. Y por supuesto en el futuro pues la pongo a trabajar. Si desean ver esto, por favor, quédate. Okay, people, so as you can see, I got it out of the box, and this is how it looks like. Okay, and I'm going to show you everything that it brings. If we look on the top, you can see that it tells you the mixing guide. It's from 1 to 7, and it'll tell you that number 1 is for stirring, number 2 for folding, number 3 for kneading, number 4 for mixing, number 5 for creaming, number 6 is for beating, and number 7 is for whipping. Okay? And I don't know, let me see if you can see. If you see this button right here, this is to lift it up. Let me adjust the camera a little bit more. Much better. There you go. Okay, so you hit the button and it goes smooth up. And what it brings, well, obviously it brings the guide of the Hamilton Beach. It brings, I want to say everything correctly, so let's look at the features, the parts. Okay, so it brings the shield. This is the splatter shield. It brings, of course, the 4-quart bowl, which is this one. The way you take it out, this is how you take it out. And this attachment is for whisk. This is the whisk. This one is the non-stick flat beater, and look how big it is. Very nice, very resistant. Let me see, hold on, sorry. Okay, metal. And this one is the non-stick dough hook. I can't wait to try all this. The way you take the bowl, if you take a look over here, let me push it down. You see that there's like a sign of lock or unlock. You twist it, you get it out. Here's the bowl. You want to put it back on. There you go. It's not going anywhere. Okay. Let's see. It tells you right here the mixing guide. You know, tips. And also it tells you how to clean it. And I'm reading people, yes. And it also give you just a few recipes in here. So that's cool. How much did it cost? It cost $100. So I think this is a good deal for it. Okay. Ok, mi gente, les voy a enseñar todo lo que trae, o voy a traducir todo lo que trae, porque ya lo están viendo. Déjenme ver. Trae la protección para que no salpique. Esto se llama protección de salpicaduras. Aquí dice. Trae el tazón de 4 cuartos con manija, que es esto aquí. Trae el batidor, que es este. Miren qué grande está. Trae el gancho para masas. Y trae el batidor tradicional. Andrea dice aquí. Trae las instrucciones de cómo usarlo en inglés y en español. Aquí están en español. Y trae un par de recetitas. Y también de cómo limpiarlo. Se me olvidó decirles que costó $100. ¿Ok? Porque estaba a la venta, estaba en sale. And I'm just gonna do just a little demonstration with only water. I'm not gonna start cooking anything or start beating anything here. Just I'm gonna do a little demonstration. Hopefully y'all can see this. Let's see. So this is just water. I just want to test it out with water to see. Esto es simplemente agua. Okay. And here are the buttons. Okay. So we said that number 1 was stirring. Dijimos que el número 1 era para mover. So okay. Number 2, the folding. The kneading. The mixing. Creaming. Okay. All right. Number 6, the beating. Para batir. El número 6. Wow. Number 7, the whipping. That was supposed to be the whipping. All right. So overall, so far so good. Again, I may have to really do, I may have to try it. Do some type of cake or something. But I just wanted to show you basically how does it work. Voy a tener que intentar tratarla de nuevo cuando cocine, etcétera, pero simplemente quería compartir con ustedes pues cómo funciona la batidora de Hamilton Beach. And Hamilton Beach is not a bad brand. I have a juicer from Hamilton Beach. Hamilton Beach no es una marca mala. Yo tengo un juicer, una máquina de exprimir jugo, de exprimir frutas para hacer jugo de la marca Hamilton. So, vamos a ver si eso funciona. So, this has been 75. AKA Michi Wichi, you know what to do by now, people. Support by thumbing it up. Make sure you share all of this on all type of social media. Estación Semide 5. Acas Michi Wichi. Y sigue sintonizando. Compartan esto en todas las redes sociales. And also, it has this type of things that keep the mixer standard, like it doesn't move and anything, you know. I like it. The only downfall I will say, the wire is too short for me. Lo único que diría malo es que el cordón es pequeño, es muy pequeño. But other than that, I think it's pretty cool. I hope you guys like this review. Bye bye. Cuídense. Bye bye and take care.